Welcome to 5M Gadget channel. Today Vivo Nex 2 hands-on video leaked. Vivo with triple rear cameras and dual displays. Chinese smartphone manufacturer Vivo is all set to launch its new smartphone with a triple rear camera. The Vivo Nex 2 has been in the leaks from past few days and now the device is teased in 3 new videos in China. Now, Vivo has released an official poster revealing that the Nex 2. Based on the rendered images, it looks like the Nex 2 will get displays on the front and back, kind of like the recent Vivo Nex. One screen will be free of bezels, while 3 cameras and an LED ring take up space near the top of the other screen. According to the leaks, the smartphone is expected to be coming with Snapdragon 845 SoC with up to 8 GB of RAM like its predecessor. A couple of days back, we have got image leaks of the device on Weibo which revealed the front and back of it. Vivo Nex 2 will launch on December 11th in China, and the phone will likely feature dual displays. Teasers and press renders of the Vivo Nex 2 have been leaked online ahead of the launch. Vivo's own China website has reservations open for the Nex 2. Once again, the promotional image hints at dual displays, triple cameras and a design similar to what leaks have been predicting. Advertising. Vivo Nex 2 will launch on December 11th with dual screens in Shanghai at the U+ Fashion Arts Center, according to the leaked press release shared on China's Weibo. The release also mentions the phone as Vivo Nex dual screen. In addition to this, a screenshot of the Vivo website has been leaked on Weibo, which shows the Vivo Nex 2 as one of the options with 10 GB RAM and 128 GB storage on board. Previously, Xiaomi's Mi Mix 3 was one of the first phones to offer 10 GB RAM. Oppo had also announced plans to introduce a 10 GB RAM variant of its Find X, but that was never launched. The new Vivo Nex 2 will be an entirely different flagship phone compared to the original, especially if one considers the dual displays and triple cameras. The original Vivo Nex had a truly bezel-less display, motorized selfie camera which was hidden under the display, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. Earlier, tipster Ben Geskin had shared an image on his Twitter account of the Vivo Nex 2, which shows the 2 displays, 3 cameras and ring light design around the camera sensors. Vivo's teaser material also hints at a similar design. Last week, YouTube channel Mr. Who's Boss showed the video of a mystery smartphone with 2 displays and triple cameras. In the video, it was said that the smartphone will come in December, and will be a flagship phone, which many have taken to be the Vivo Nex 2. Vivo Nex 2 will not be the first phone to offer dual display. We have seen devices like Phone, Vivo Nex, which also had dual displays.